I think everybody who's involved and has had a career, no matter whether it's in sports or whatever it may be, should give back to their community. I think it's important. I mean, I have 20 communities here. So my goal is to assist them, not only our residents, but our businesses, so they can provide jobs.
I hired Jim Perry 42 years ago when I was the mayor of the city of Wyandotte. I was on the committee that hired the people. We did a pilot program called How to Retrain People.
Jim is the ultimate consensus builder. He knows everybody. He's not afraid to use those connections to move the Downriver area forward.
He brings people together. He has a way, it's almost magical, where if there's problems or anything's wrong or there's like a challenge, he's very positive and he knows who to call.
Well, when I think of Jim Perry, I liken him to Mr. Downriver. He is just so community oriented. He's always mindful of people doing better downriver, whether that's creating economic opportunities and jobs for people, improving quality of life.
Jim he's not just a coworker or a leader for this agency, but he is a friend. And he has been a friend to me and most of the people of this agency and the Downriver area. So I know that if I'm ever stuck somewhere, he's always going to answer his phone.
His personality is always very upbeat. There's always a better potential out there. And as a result of that, I think it inspires people to step on board and fight the cause.
Hello friends, it's Jim Nance from CBS, and I'm honored to be asked to say a few words about a buddy of mine I've known for nearly 50 years, if you can believe that, and that is Jim Perry, one of the great guys in my life. And I'm so excited he's getting recognized for this Community Leadership Award. Jim Perry, you are a gift to everyone. Thank you for being a gift in my life. God bless you, my friend.
Jim, excellent job. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. You know, you're my brother.
Jim, congratulations on this award. I'm sure your mantle is getting full with all the awards you've received over the years, but they're all well deserved. Congratulations.
I'm so excited to congratulate you about this award. I know what you're going to say already is it's not for me, it's for my staff, it's for my board, but congratulations, richly deserved.
Jim, from the bottom of my heart, congratulations.
Jim, congratulations. Very well deserved on this award. Very proud of you and working together for 43 years.
Hi Jim, congratulations on your award. Well deserved.
Jim, just want to say congratulations. I can't think of anybody other than yourself to receive this award. I've learned a great deal from you. You're my mentor. And you know what? You think about what you do for the community, for the organization. It's better off because you are part of it and you constantly strive to make it better. So thank you and congratulations.